Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speakers on Huawei P10 Lite. To do this, we'll need to find all of the speakers on this device, first one being on the bottom right here, then next one is on top of the screen right there. And to determine if they are stereo speakers, we'll need to play some music, cover each of the speakers with our fingers. If the sound is coming from both of the sources, that's a stereo speaker. If not, that means this device doesn't have it. Now let's try it out. And already clearly this device doesn't have these stereo speakers, as the sound was coming only from a main speaker and the phone call speaker was silent. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.